Hello all, welcome to Masterclass for General Awareness for all the competitive exams in English. So basically we are starting now this new series for all the competitive exams that we are handling on our other channel, that is your Apna Government Job channel, right? So the important problem and the main problem is that General Awareness syllabus is very vast. But in this series you will get only those questions which are very important for you, okay, and on that questions we will again derive the expected question also, so you will love it. And I hope that minimum 50% stress for your general awareness will get reduced because of this series, okay. So just I want to request one thing, just take a new book for it, okay. Just put name on the book, that general awareness masterclass, and whatever we are discussing here, make your own notes in your own handwriting. This is the condition if you are watching this class now, okay, for a whatever exam. So if you do like this, then we both will get success to get maximum marks in your general awareness section, okay. So now we will start our class. Okay, so first question of your master class, that Qutub Minar is situated in, okay. So basically options are Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana and Delhi. So the right answer for this, first try by yourself and then check. So just pause the video, okay, make the answer and then play the video. So your right answer is D, that is your New Delhi, okay. Now let's discuss very important thing. See, first thing, this is very important topic for you, that is your slave dynasty, okay, from the history. So based on that, now we will discuss what could be the expected questions in your upcoming exams. So first thing, Qutub Minar, okay, let's start with this name. So Qutub Minar, okay, one Sufi saint was there, that uh, that what is the name, Kutubuddin Bakhtiar Kaki, okay, Kutubuddin Bakhtiar Kaki, okay. So on his name they named this minar as a Qutub Minar, okay, from this name. Now let's discuss about slave dynasty, that in the slave dynasty, which is the first dynasty of your Delhi Sultanate, okay, and the period for this was your around 1200. The first, you can say, ruler for this dynasty was Kutubuddin Aibak. Kutubuddin Aibak, okay. And this Kutubuddin Aibak started the construction of Qutub Minar. So this is the first important thing that you should note, that the Qutub Minar construction, okay, just observe this because TCS is very much expert to frame the questions like this, okay. So Qutub Minar construction started by Kutubuddin Aibak, okay, just remember this. Now the Kutubuddin Aibak period, you can say he ruled for 1206 to 12010, okay, for 4 years he ruled. And the important thing is that he also built two mosques, okay, he also built two mosques. The name, very important for you, again, Kuwat, ignore the spelling, okay, just focus on name. Kuwat, what was that, Kuwat, yes, ul Islam, Kuwat ul Islam. And second was your Adai Din Ka Jhopda, Adai Din Ka, okay, it is basically Hindi name, Jhopda. So basically this Quwwat ul Islam, okay, two mosques built by Kutubuddin Aibak, which was them, Quwwat ul Islam and Adai Rinka Chopra. He says, may I ask you this question, okay, just focus on this also. Now this Quwwat ul Islam, this mosque is in Delhi again, okay. So in Delhi you have Qutub Minar also and Quwwat ul Islam also, okay. So next time you may get the question like where Quwwat ul Islam is situated in, obviously answer is Delhi. And this second Adai Din Ka Chopda is in Ajmer, okay, is in Ajmer. So now the important thing is that these two mosques are important, and Kutubuddin Aibak who started the work for Qutub Minar, okay. Kutubuddin Aibak, the meaning of this Kutubuddin is moon of God, God of moon. sorry, moon of god, moon of god. Okay, so I hope you are writing side by side and also understanding that how we are connecting from Qutub Minar to all these things. Okay, so this is one kind of mind mapping, so just learn that from these sessions, right? So till now from Qutub Minar we go to Qutbuddin Bakhtiar Kaki, then from this we go to slave dynasty, then we for the first slave dynasty, the first rule of slave dynasty is Qutbuddin Aibak. Okay, his period is this. He built two mosques. Where are two mosques? You know. Okay. Now the thing is that the third ruler, that is Iltutmish. Okay, the third ruler, that is Iltutmish, who finished the work of Qutub Minar. Okay. Now here TCS may trick you that they will just observe the questions. Okay, that the Qutub Minar work is finished by, and the Qutub Minar work is constructed, means who start the construction of Qutub Minar. This question was already asked by TCS actually. Okay, and who completed the construction? Iltutmish. Very important for you. Okay, so this was all about an Iltutmish period. You can say 1211 to 1236. Okay, so this is very important, and our Qutbuddin Aibak died while playing polo. Okay, or is also called Chauhan. Okay, so Qutbuddin Aibak died while playing this. So this question also asked by TCS. So that's why this is a theory which is sufficient for this question now. Okay, so I hope that all the things you got till now and you connected like this, and just make proper notes of it. Okay, so let's move to the next question now. Where is the famous Vallanadu Wildlife Sanctuary located? Okay, so basically, where is this wildlife sanctuary? It is in Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, or Karnataka. Now it's very easy to remember this. Okay, because the answer is your C. That is your Tamil Nadu. So see, here also Nadu is there, and here also Nadu is there. So yes, you can remember, right? It's easy to remember. So you can remember like this also. Now from this, that wildlife sanctuary, let's go in very much deep now, because very important topic for each and every exam. And I must say that this is the famous topic of TCS. Basically in every exam you will see one from national park also, and for wildlife sanctuary also. Okay, and there are lots of things are there. Also they focus on India and world. Okay, so this means a few national park and few wildlife sanctuary which are currently in news. Basically you should know, right? So we will cover India and world only, that is both for this. Okay, now the important thing is that first we will discuss about Tamil Nadu. So this was about your first, means this was about your Vallanadu Wildlife Sanctuary. So basically what are the other wildlife sanctuary in Tamil Nadu we can see, or I can say national park. Okay, so national park and wildlife sanctuary. So let's start. So first is your Gunde National Park. Okay, this is your national park. I guess it is situated in Chennai, near to Chennai. Then your famous Gulf of Mannar, right? For marine it is very beautiful. So Gulf of Mannar, marine. Then your three Malays are there. So okay, just observe how I am remembering. So three Malays are there. So one is Annamalai. This is your basically tiger reserve. Okay, Annamalai Tiger Reserve. Next Malai is your Madumalai. This is your national park. Okay, NP National Park. And last Malai was your Augusta Malai. Okay, Augusta Malai biosphere. Okay, this is basically your biosphere reserve. In separate video I will tell you the difference between national park, biosphere reserve. Okay, in this series only, so don't worry about that. Just for now write this. So first, what is Gunde National Park, then Gulf of Mannar Marine, then three Malais, Annamalai, Madumalai and Augusta Malai. Okay, easy to remember. So this is one group, this is the second group. Okay, for Tamil Nadu. In your notes write like this only. Now next go to the sixth one. So this okay, sixth one I can here write. So your sixth one what? Mukurti. Okay, Mukurti. This is also national park. Seventh one. Seventh one is your Karikil. Karikil, and this is your bird sanctuary. This is your bird sanctuary. Okay. Again there is one. Let me remember. That is your Kalakkad. Kalakkad. Don't worry about this. I will make a short quizzes also shortly on this. Okay. So this is one kind of revision quiz for you, and you can attempt that quiz and you can remember this. Okay. But for now, just remember like this. This is the one group, Gunde and Gulf of Mannar. Okay, GG is there. Like that also you can remember. See, this small thing now will work for you in exam hall. Okay. So that's why this is very important, because I know this is work. Three Malays are there for Tamil Nadu, then Mukurti, Karikil and Kalakkad. And your last one is your Vedant Thangal. Okay, so Vedant Thangal. This is also bird sanctuary. So basically, three bird sanctuaries are there, right? Then national park. How many national park? Okay, remember like this also. But you can categorize also. See, bird sanctuary three are there. Okay, national park 1, 2, 3 are there, and then our Gulf of Mannar. This is marine, and this is tiger reserve, Annamalai. Okay, or I prefer this group like this, means for remembering. So this group, this group, Mukurti, Karikil, Kalakkad, and this. Okay, so like this you can remember. And our last one was the question itself. Now this was about Tamil Nadu, so just write down all these things, important, very important for you. Okay, and you will again read this in night for 5 minutes. Whatever our class is there, okay, you are making notes. So all the notes in the night for 5 minutes you have to again read. Okay, and about quiz and all this thing, I will announce in our group. So don't worry about that. Okay, now from this national park, okay, we will discuss now the latest current affair. So first, the national park of Cambodia was in news recently, okay, because one lonely elephant was shifted from Pakistan to here, Cambodia Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay, lonely elephant. Lonely elephant is the name of elephant. I don't know. I don't know why it is called lonely, but it is called lonely. And that lonely elephant from Pakistan shifted to Cambodia Wildlife Sanctuary. That's why it is the biggest news. Okay. So Cambodia National Wildlife Sanctuary. The name is Cambodia Wildlife Sanctuary only. Don't worry about that. Then our Telangana's KBR National Park. KBR National Park. Okay. So now this national park also you will get in the, okay, they may ask you. So this national park located at Telangana. Okay, and the spelling full form, if I tell you, then Kasu Brahmananda Reddy. Okay, the full form of KBR is this. So KBR Telangana mein hai. This you have to remember. Now the next is your Golestan National Park. Golestan. Okay, so it is located in Iran. It was also in news, maybe in June or July. Okay, so that's why it's very important. So as you can see, we are covering also your last 12-month current affair in this. Okay, so all the things you will get here, so don't worry about that, just follow and revise, and whatever the guidelines I am giving, just follow them. The next is your Bhitarkanika, very important, very much important. Bhitarkanika National Park. Okay, so basically this national park, what happens that rare migratory birds observed here recently. Okay, migratory birds, those birds who migrate from one part to other, right? So those are observed here, so that's why it is recently in news. You also heard that. And this Bhitarkanika National Park, yes, it is in Odisha. Okay, so this is in Odisha. So this was all about your national park and your wildlife sanctuary discussion of India and world. That's enough for this question now. Okay, I hope your notes are ready. And now let's move to the next question. Who is the current Revenue Secretary of India? Ramesh Singh, Ajay Bhushan Pandey, S.K. Sharma, and Rajiv Kumar. Okay, so for this question, your answer is B. No, not much in this for discussion. So we will move to the next question. Now, what is the in which of the following country eighth session of the International Treaty of Plant Genetic Resources for Food and Agriculture was held? Okay, Australia, France, Italy, Sweden. Now, very important first thing. Okay, the answer is C. That is Italy. So in Italy, the eighth session of International Treaty of Plant Genetic Resource for Food and Agriculture. Now, what are the questions you are expected from your IBPS and TCS based on this current affair? So see, first ITPGRFA. Okay, so basically this organization, what it does, it just in short, if I tell you, then it just secure our food. Okay, so it is responsible for food security in India and in world. Sorry, not in India, in world, because it is international. So in world. So first question they may ask you that session number. Okay, that is 8th session. So this thing you have to remember. Okay, now the famous and very lovely question for of TCS is that ITPGRFA. Okay, so I of this, among this they can ask you anything. That is what is the full form of G. Okay, option will be your grass, anything they will give, and genetic will be also there. So you have to tick to genetic. Okay, so International Treaty of Plant Genetic Resources for Food and Agriculture, like this only you have to remember. Okay, just the expected question also write in your notes. So 8th session, okay, held in where? Italy. Yeah, that's it. And the location for this organization, location means where it is located, it is in Rome. Okay, which is in Italy only. So this was all about today. Okay, 4 questions, but yes, we will be we discuss in very much detail, and like this only we will continue our this session. And yes, I am guaranteed that this will help you lot in your upcoming exams. So before going, this is your homework which you have to compulsory do for me. So Cambodia, Italy, Iran. Okay, what you have to do basically, and this is also you will write in your notes only. So first, who is the president and prime minister? Okay, second, capital, and third, currency. So for all these 3 countries, I want this information from you, and you will write this information in your notes. Okay, because I am giving you homework based on the analysis only. Okay, because they can ask you, because as you saw, these 3 countries are was in news, right? So TCS can ask you, or IBPS, whatever the exam conducting agency, okay, where railways, they can ask you for this also. Okay, so yes, this was all about first session. So I want comment from you guys that whether you like or not, or want any improvement, because obviously this was our first session. So any improvement, anything was there, free, feel free, okay, to comment. And yes, so all these things are there, and just follow whatever the guidelines I'm giving you in the strategy video on Apna Government Job channel. That is very important for you. Okay, and now we will frequently visit on our that channel for strategy and to keep you guys motivated for your exam. All the best.